Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel on this beautiful day. How are you all doing today? It's nice, beautiful and gray outside, so why not make a video? So today I'm just gonna go ahead and go into the character class, and I'm gonna change a few things, add a nice way to print out stuff, and maybe start off on the item stuff. I'm not sure, but we'll look at it. We'll just wing it. But before we get started, as always, check out the description box for all the nice links down there. Make sure to expand it. Join me on Discord, follow me on Twitter, all that stuff. Drop a like, subscribe if you want to. Otherwise, let's just get started here. So let me think. So what we had some issues with printing out this stuff right here. How much strength we have at the moment. So that's something we want to make sure we fix. I'm just going to go ahead and check something here. Boom. Okay. While this loads, because sometimes my external hard drive loads. There we go. So first of all, before anything, I'm not going to write all weird shit, but there we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to go ahead and do vitality, I don't know. Agility, I think, dexterity, and intelligence. Pretty sure that's how it's spelled. So there we got all our 5 things here, and add stat point, get choice. Okay, 1 would be strength. Choice plus 1. How should we do that? So 1 up to 5. We could shorten this up a little bit instead of making a bunch of cases, which I don't really like making a bunch of cases always. We could just do this and remove that. So this is gonna handle the quit. And also we're gonna get the choice, and once we get the choice, let's see this choice. Okay, so we get a choice. Let's see, how can we do this? Int I equals int choice equals choice. No, this get choice. Okay, so we'll do that, and then we'll not have a switch case. We'll have a if choice equals -1. Then we'll do this, set quit true, else if choice is greater than or equals 0 and choice is less or equal to 5. Less than equal to 5, right? Yeah, okay, there we go. Then we're gonna do all that, or else we'll have the error stuff going. So then I'll just copy this error thingies here and just remove the switch case completely. Add stat point choice. So say I have -1, otherwise I'll have 0. Let's see, we'll have 1, and then we'll do greater or equal to 1, less than equal to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, okay, so that should be cool. Choice plus 1, choice -1. Okay, because our stat point is gonna add to, it has a switch case in it, this function, and it's gonna check for something that is 0. 1 will be equal to 0, right? 1 is strength. In this switch case, it's 0. So I'm just doing -1. You can go check it out in here. Right here, strength equal to 0, right? So if I press 1, I actually want it to be 0. It's just that in the menu it's going to be kind of weird. That's why we'll keep it at 1. And then I'll do not enough stat points, otherwise I will add it. And then not a valid option. Okay, cool. So that should work. I'll just make this look a little better by having some curly braces in here. Okay. So that's okay. And that means we can add a bunch of stat points easily. Now if I go into character.cpp, yes, I'm gonna go down to this beautiful function where I print out this stuff right here. Okay, so right here, and then I'm gonna do a semicolon there actually, and I'm gonna do SS here like this. All right, and that's gonna be the end, but I want to be able to do more stuff in here. All right, so maybe I want the get menu bar to give me more stuff if something, right? So const bool show attributes, maybe like that. I don't know what I usually do with usually in parameters I use underscore, so I see that they're different. We'll just do that for this one. Const boolean, let's go in here, show attributes equals false by default. So if I just show it, it won't do anything. But if show attributes, then I'm gonna just copy paste this in here, and I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go ahead and say strength equals this strength right? Strength, not anything else. I don't know why I spelled that wrong. What? Did I seriously spell that wrong? Strength. Oh damn, this is gonna, oh shit, this is gonna flip the hell out all over. Did I spell it right here? Please say I spelled it. Strength. Okay, oh shit. Okay, guys and girls, we're gonna have to go through and fix all of this. Strength. I'm just gonna copy that. Let's just make sure we fix all the typos, because I don't like typos. I don't think nobody does. Luckily I didn't have any grammar Nazis in my channel. That's a mean thing to say. I'm sorry. No one corrected me. So there we go. Let's see. Okay, so if show attributes, then I'm just gonna remove all this other stuff, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna flip out here, and I'm gonna do that. Boom. Strength, vitality, dexterity, no, agility, dexterity, whew, intelligence, whew, god damn, this is crazy, vitality, agility, dexterity. Oh man, this is what I hate with RPGs, man. Whew, intelligence. Okay, so if I do show attributes, it's gonna print out all this stuff as well. So if I go in here and I say get menu bar and I say true in here and I run this, hopefully pray to the CPP god that it's gonna show. I really hope it will. I don't know what the hell's going on. Am I even recording? Yes I am. Okay, just in time. Boom, bada boom. Good. Go in here, character menu, assign stat points. Oh snap, we all have all kinds of stuff except the new line there, but that's cool. Okay, we're good. We're almost good. Okay. A new line. There we go. Okay, so a new line, important. Usually I had this new line there, so I'm just gonna remove that, and I'm going to add 2 new lines right below this. I think. Right? No, what am I doing? Wait. Yes. No. No. Wait, what? Wait, a new line there. And a new line there. How the hell? What the hell is this? No. 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 Don't break. Okay. What the hell is going on? So I'll have one new line and one extra new line. Isn't that correct? Character menu. Assign stat points. Okay, yeah, that's correct, isn't it? That's correct. It's just that this, you're gonna have to lower your font size because I'm in the tutorial mode here. I got Bob Ross going and everything. Yeah, since I just wanna see, since I'm in tutorial mode, how this looks. So I have 7 stat points available. I wanna just go ahead and add 1 to strength, 2 to strength, maybe more, some more HP, maybe some agility, maybe some dexterity. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go back to menu. Let me go into assign stat points, try to assign something. Nope, didn't work. Okay. 6, 7. Okay, not a valid option. Okay, not a valid option. It's not working. Okay, cool. 0, not a valid option. Let's go back. Cool. Now, back to menu. Let's go travel. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go to an empty spot. Enemy encountered. Okay, so I have a bunch of HP now. I have stamina. I have more stuff. Let's begin combat. So my damage is less than the enemy's damage. That's not cool. Since the enemy actually oh my god, I'm gonna get so wrecked. Okay, well, to balance that out before we quit, let's not waste any time here. To balance that out, we need to go to update stats right here. Okay. Whew. So update stats. Character, no, where is this? Okay, so we're at level 1. We need to level up. Where do we level up? Add stat points. No, where is it? Dude, did I miss it? Am I blind? I'm totally blind. Am I blind? I probably just missed it. Oh, here we go. Okay, so stat points plus level plus. What we need to do is when we level up, I actually want to increase my all my attributes. All right, so this strength plus, this agility plus, this, oh whoops, let's keep the right order, this vitality plus. So I'm getting some stuff for just leveling up. This dexterity plus, this intelligence plus. Okay, so that's it. That's cool. So I do level up. I do increase everything. So once I do add stat point, okay, every time I add stat point, I update stats. Every time I level up, I want to update my stats. I do want to update my stats anyway, just once at the end. It's better than doing it several times here. If I run this now, I should have a bunch of, yeah, there we go. Oh, OP character, let's go. Yes, that might be a little too OP, but yeah, let's start the game. Character menu, assign some stat points. Let's go crazy. Let's do sick damage, dude. Sick damage. Whoops. -1. Travel menu. Let's find that damn enemy again. No, here we go. Okay. What you say about my mama, man? I'm gonna kill you. You defeated the enemy for 56. Get wrecked, noob. That doesn't make sense though, but okay, it's fine. We'll fix that later. But whatever. Alright. So I wrecked that noob. I got 23 EXP. 23 of the EXPs. That's crazy. All right, so at least that works for now. At least that works for now. That's cool. That's cool, guys and girls. All right, so we surpassed our time for this video, but at least we got to some things. I was a little slow, but I will try to fix all this randomness issue with the damage soon enough, just so we can have that at least finished. Excuse me. Yeah, but that's cool. Thank you for sticking with me. Thanks for yeah, having fun with me, I guess. If you think this is fun, I don't know, but I hope you're learning something, and I hope this is cool. This is my own way of doing RPG stuff. You can do your own scaling of all these stats and just make it real nice and realistic, however you want it to be. This is just my way, just a simple, nice way. Now I'm really overpowered, but we'll solve all that balance stuff. It's not important for this series. Anyway, take care. Thank you so much again. Check out the description box. Follow me on Twitter. Check out the Discord. Drop a like or subscribe if you want to. And I'll see you guys and girls in the next one, alright? Bye-bye.